Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do Fiverr affiliate marketing. You can recommend your favorite gigs and you can actually start earning money. Chances are right now that, hey, we already use Fiverr. I think everybody nowadays have used Fiverr and there is something there that we like to recommend. But some people make money and there are others who are not earning money. So I'm going to show you everything on detail so you can know exactly how to follow everything step by step. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about Fiverr affiliate marketing. This is going to be an affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Okay, first things first, you need to have your account. So you can go to fiverr.com/partnerships and then affiliates. If you scroll down on fiverr.com, you're going to find also the affiliate link and you're going to be landing here. Okay, you can join really easy, really simple by clicking here, and you can have different gigs. They do have different ways in which you can actually earn money. You can earn by a percentage, a fixed price. Okay, so you're gonna have all the information here on the commission plan, but also the commission plan is inside Fiverr. Okay, so here this is a quick overview of how everything works and all this stuff. So here you have, and as I told you before, if you go to fiverr.com, you're gonna have the link here so you can actually join the affiliate program. Okay, once you join the affiliate program, it's really easy to join. Okay, super simple. You're gonna fill out your information, your name, your email address, and all this stuff. Okay, this is how the dashboard looks like. Sometimes it's changed. It has changed quite a lot since the time I joined. Okay, so it is actually look kind of different from the one you're watching. No worries, there are some key things that I'm going to show you. Okay, for example, if I scroll here, okay, I can actually find the setting area. On the setting area, you can configure how you can actually want to get paid. There are three ways right now on the time I'm recording this video. One is with ACH or wire transfer, so you can connect your bank account. The other one is with PayPal. So if you're looking to earn PayPal money, definitely with the Fiverr affiliate program, there is a way in which you can actually do that. The other one is with these Payoneer. So you can actually go with Payoneer.com. You can actually have your card. Okay, from there, you can actually deposit your money on the card or you can actually transfer to your bank account. If for some reason you have, issues and you cannot connect your bank account, but that's the way you want to go, definitely, you have options with Payoneer and also you have options with PayPal, or again, you can connect your bank account. Okay, there is also this tool here that is called the marketing tool, this section. Okay, here on the marketing tool, you're going to have all marketing tools, default and dip links, okay, geo-rotation groups, gigs. Okay, we're going to be working with this one, the default and dip links. Okay, this is the one that we're going to be using, and I'm going to show you why is that in a moment. Okay, one nice thing that I like about Fiverr is the fact that, okay, you can have different types of banners, links. If you want to go with text links, you can actually do that as well. Okay, so for example, here I have some images. If you have a blog, you can use these images. If you don't have a blog, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can actually drive traffic. Okay, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, also let me know where you guys are from because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. And if you guys want to know what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, so there are different things. Okay, as I told you, we're going to be using this one, the default and dip link. Okay, this is also changing. That's why it says like CPA. okay, because my account is actually pretty old. That one says old plan, the Fiverr full plan. Here, if you go to commission plan, just in case that you are kind of confused and you're like, well, I don't get it, how this works. Everything is well explained here, okay? Everything is well explained here, so you are gonna understand, how you're gonna get paid, okay? So now let me go back. I'm gonna go here where it says marketing tools, and I'm gonna click here where it says default and the link, okay? It's the same here. Okay, so now let's say that you go to Fiverr, okay, and there is a gig that you actually enjoy. Okay, you can go to fiverr.com. In my case, I'm going to be using an example. In my case, I'm going to be recommending video editing service. Okay, that's what I'm going to be recommending, the video editing service. Okay, that's why I actually put it here on the search bar. Okay, that arrow is actually pretty big. Anyways, okay, so that's actually why I put it here. Okay, the best things is if you already use some services and those are the ones that you enjoy, that's the best if you want to recommend them. Okay, so here we have, if someone is looking for someone who is going to be editing a YouTube video, corporate video, gaming, family, travel. Okay, here we have different subcategories. Let's say that you just don't know, you just want someone who is really good with video editing. Okay, we have someone who teach here. We have some samples here. Okay, there are a lot of, of gigs and options, and that's one cool thing about Fiverr. And one cool thing about an affiliate marketer is the fact that you can actually, you can promote as many things as possible. Okay, so let's say that this is the one that I'm going to be promoting. Okay, this is the one I will do YouTube editing, post-production, and all the stuff. Here is this person, sharing some reviews. Here are the pricing and all the stuff. Okay, it has 4.9 stars with 77 reviews. It's a level 2, so this is a great expert to recommend. So now, what you're gonna be doing? Well, here on the top right corner, you're gonna see this icon. So you're gonna be clicking on it. Okay, and then you're gonna click here where it says copy link. Okay, boom, now I already copied my link. Now where you're gonna go is I'm gonna go back to Fiverr. Okay, and I'm gonna click here where it says deep link. This was previously called LP. Okay, I'm telling you this because sometimes this change. Okay, right now it's called deep link. You're gonna click it here. I already have the URL. Okay, but you're gonna paste it. Okay, and you're gonna click here where it says save. Okay, now that everything's safe, now my links, okay, are not a regular link, but a link that is actually guiding people to the service or the gig that I'm recommending. Okay, so it's actually really powerful. Now, which one is the one that you're gonna use? You're gonna use this one, the Fiverr Pro new plan. That's the one that you are gonna be using. Okay, that's the one that you're gonna be using. Now, chances are that you're like, okay, Diana, I don't have a YouTube channel. Okay, that's a way in which you can actually promote Fiverr gigs. If you create a YouTube channel, it can be faceless, or you can create your personal brand. Or you're like, hey, I don't have a YouTube channel right now. Which other options do I have so I can recommend products and services? Well, you can actually go to Medium. You can create an account here on medium.com and you can create an article. Okay, literally, you're going to join and you're going to click here where it says write. And this is like creating a blog post. And just in case that you're like, I don't feel comfortable writing a blog post. What can I do? No worries. Okay, you can use ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT to write an article for you. Okay, you can give it the description about the product that you're going to be promoting. In this case, the service, which is video editing. Okay, or any other products that you have. Remember that here we have several categories, tons of categories. Okay, we have logo, we have flyers, programming, there is a lot of things that you can actually promote. Okay, there is a lot of things that you can actively be promoting. Another thing is that you can use Reddit. Here on reddit.com, you can also be, writing posts about the service. Okay, there are also people who are asking, for solutions, and chances are that there is a Fiverr gig that solves the problem that they do have. Okay, my suggestion, guys, and this is kind of a pro tip, don't go ahead and put the link right away. Okay, build a small conversation, and if you have a capture page, okay, you can also be using it. If you don't have it, for whatever reason, you can use system.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can create your free account, okay, with system.io, and you can start working that way with system.io for free. Literally, you don't need a credit card, you don't need a PayPal account in order to open it. So I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can start using it. And this is, again, a simple strategy of how you can start earning money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you guys on the next video.